As global temperatures continue to soar, heat waves are becoming longer, more intense and far more dangerous. And with 2024 already recorded as the hottest year in history, 2025 could be following closely behind. This extreme heat is pushing millions to rely more heavily on air conditioners, not just for comfort, but for survival. But while cooling saves lives, it also comes at a cost to wallets, power grids, and the environment. From New York to Nairobi, the blistering heat is becoming harder to bear. According to Copernicus Climate Change Service, 2024 was the hottest year on record. And with similar patterns already unfolding, air conditioning is no longer a luxury, it is becoming a lifeline. But how do air conditioners actually work? Air conditioners cool indoor spaces by transferring heat from inside your home to the outside using a chemical fluid called a refrigerant. Warm air is drawn in, cooled over refrigerant-filled coils, then circulated back into your room, while the absorbed heat is released outdoors. The science behind cooling dates back to 1820s. British scientist Michael Faraday first discovered that compressing and evaporating ammonia could chill air. In the 1830s, American physician John Gorrie took it further, building an ice-making machine to cool hospital rooms in tropical Florida. Then came the breakthrough. In 1902, engineer Willis Carrier invented the first modern air conditioner to control humidity at a New York printing press. Though it was made for machines, it quickly changed life for humans. By 1914, the first residential unit was installed, but it was the size of a room. A game changer came in 1931 with the first window-mounted AC. Affordable, compact, and more efficient, these units rapidly spread across post-war America. In Japan, the late 1950s brought the mini-split system, an energy-efficient ductless design that would revolutionize cooling for homes and small businesses around the world. But with benefits come challenges. The rising use of ACs adds strain to power grids and contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. So how can we cool our homes responsibly? Set the thermostats between 24 to 26 degrees centigrade. Clean filters regularly. Use fans alongside air conditioners. Insulate your homes, and also consider energy-efficient models. As the planet gets hotter, cooling will remain crucial, but it doesn't have to come at the planet's expense. Akugizibwe, STN News.